Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is July the 10th and I haven't given you any updates on my tomato plants and I wanted to today. It's very windy today, so hopefully the camera's picking up my voice, and I just wanted to show you I've got quite a few little tomatoes ready to go already. Got one in there that'll probably be ready tomorrow. Come around to another one. We've got more over on this side. I think what I'll do is I'll go on the other side just to show you those. Here we've got on the other side of the plant, you can see 3 here that are ready to go. Let's take one off. Look at that. All grown from seeds. And all of those you can see in my earlier videos for this season. Pretty nice. There is nothing like a fresh tomato from your own garden. Freshly picked, ready to eat. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.